G'day guys, welcome to PhotographyRides. Today we're going to be using my new Blind Bearing Extractor Kit. There are so many different sizes of extractors here. You want to get the one that's close enough to the actual hole of your bearing. So you get this one, the smaller one. And I'll grab the hammer slide and let's give that a go. Okay, so you attach the extractor to the hammer slide. Just twist it on there. So what you want to do is put the extractor through the bearing, and as you tighten it up, it opens up and it grabs behind the bearing, and then you can just yank it out. So let's give it a go. So there's the bearing there. You just want to put the extractor through the bearing, tighten that up a bit till it grabs. So grab that right there, see it's not coming out, so just give a firm hold, a little twist just to keep it there. Give it a good slam on the hammer and she should pop out. Just like that. And that's the easy way to get the bearing out. So that's the new Yamaha bearing. Put the part number down on the description below in case you're interested. Where the old one is all seized up, the new bearing spins perfectly. So put the bearing back into a flywheel. You want to just position the bearing right there in the middle. You'll need something to tap it into position. I've got this nice rubber mallet that should do the trick. I'll just tap it in with a hammer. Make sure it's all lined up right. Just need to go a bit more. See how it's just hanging off the edge. You want to get it right in there, right in the casting. And it's done. Nice and smooth against the casting there. All good. Time to put the flywheel and stator back together. But that will be for another video.